We've been in operation since 1982. Currently, we mine around 4.6 million tons of ore a year and process it. We never settle for the norm. We keep on pushing ourselves to improve this business and lower our costs. Our relationship with Caterpillar and Butler goes back over 20 years. We started this relationship due to our short mine life. We could never really justify a large capital investment on equipment. So with the rental pricing that Butler had come back to us with and maintained over the years, it made it very feasible for us to rent this equipment.
We facilitate a power by the hour contract with Butler Machinery's rental fleet. We've had several contracts over the years. With that, we supply machinery as well as technical expertise with our on-site techs, helping maintain the fleet and as well as Wharf's fleet of machinery. Part of the power by the hour contract that we have, we do all of the high hour PMs on the machines that are part of the contract. This 785 that's behind me here, it is in currently for a 15,000 hour PM that our techs do that work on. We remove components and send them down to our facility for a rebuild and then bring them back up here and reinstall before putting the machines back in service.
We don't consider them a separate workforce. They're here every day alongside of our guys, both helping us troubleshoot. And it's not just their equipment, that the rental fleet that they help us work on, but it's with our own equipment too. They're a source of expertise when we need it, and they're usually willing to give us a hand fixing whatever else we need fixed.
Caterpillar and Butler be able to maintain the equipment, we operate it, and it's been a very good relationship throughout the years.
Coeur Wharf Mine, Butler Machinery, and Caterpillar. Together, we are mining better.